friends, this is Nelly Max Concept. Today we shall be solving some JAMB questions on quadratic equations. Okay, let's quickly look at question 1. It says the solution of the equation x squared minus 2x equal to 8 is dash. You can see the options displayed. Okay, let's quickly look at the solution. We are given x squared minus 2x equals to 8. This is a quadratic equation and we are not restricted to any method. Whenever I'm given a quadratic equation to solve, by default, I use the factorization method. I only fall back to other method when the given equation is not factorizable. So as you can see, this question is factorizable. So what we'll do here is to multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, by the constant, which is minus 8, and that gives us minus 8. 1 times minus 8 returns minus 8. The next thing is to look for two factors of minus 8 that will add up to give us minus 2, okay? And that is minus 4 and plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So having gotten the factors, we proceed by inserting the factors in these two brackets. We have minus 4 comes here, then plus 2, then we maintain the right hand side. This method was used in one of my introductory videos on quadratic equation. Okay, so let's proceed. So when two numbers or two expressions multiply to give 0, it means the first expression is 0 or the second expression is 0. So x equals to 4 or x equals to minus 2. Therefore, x equals to minus 2 or 4 is the solution to the equation, which means option B is the correct option. Okay, let's look at the second question. We are asked to find the factors of 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Here, we are only factorizing. We are not solving completely. Okay, so let's look at the solution. We have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. We are going to multiply 2x squared by minus 3 together to give us minus 6x squared. The next thing is to look for two factors of minus 6x squared that will add up to give us plus 5x. And the two factors are 6x and minus x. So we're going to replace the middle term with 6x and minus x. And that gives us 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3. As you can see, there's no right hand side, so we are only factorizing, okay? We are not solving completely. So what we'll do next is to factorize in pairs. Between 2x squared and 6x, what is common? As you can see, 2x is common, then x plus 3 enters the bracket. And between minus x and minus 3, what is common? Minus 1 is common, then we have x plus 3 in the bracket. So we're going to have 2x minus 1 in bracket into x plus 3. So as you can see, option B is the correct option to this JAMB 2017 question. Okay, let's quickly look at the third question. We are given to find the factors of 2y squared minus 15xy plus 18x squared. This is JAMB 2014, and here are the options. Okay, let's look at the solution, guys. This is the question. So what we normally do first, we multiply the first term by the last term, and that gives us 36x squared y squared. 2y squared times 18x squared gives us 36x squared y squared. So what do we do next? We look for two factors of 36x squared y squared that will add up to give us minus 15xy. The factors are minus 12xy and minus 3xy. If you multiply these factors together, you get 36x squared y squared, okay? Then when they are added together, we are getting minus 15xy. So what do? We replace the middle term with minus 12xy and minus 3xy. Then we are left to factorize in pairs, and of course between 2y squared and minus 12xy, 2y is common. If we take it outside, then we'll have y minus 6x in the bracket, such that If the bracket is expanded, we are getting back 2y squared minus 12xy. You can pause the video and try this. So we're going to factorize in pairs as well. Between 3xy and 18x squared, 3x is common. Don't forget to have minus outside. So then we're going to have y minus 6s in bracket. Here we'll take one of the expressions in the bracket since they are common. So we have 2y minus 3x all into y minus 6s. This is the answer to this question, and option C is the correct option to this JAMB 2014 question. Okay guys, we are making progress. Let's look at the last question for today. Solve the equation 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. This is JAMB 1986, so long a time. Okay guys, let's look at the solution. We are given 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. If you look at this question, you see that it is not factorizable. Why? If we multiply 3x squared and minus 2 together, we're going to have minus 6x squared. And you believe with me that there does not exist two factors of minus 6x squared that will add up to give us plus 6x. You can pause the video and check for the factors. Believe me, you are not going to find. So as you can see, this particular question is not factorizable. What do we do? Let us employ the formula method. The formula method says s is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. On this channel, this quadratic formula has been proved. You can look for the video and enjoy yourself. Okay, so let's proceed with the formula method. As you can see, our b is what 6, our a is what 3, and c is what minus 2. So we're going to plug in the respective values of a, b, and c in this equation, and we are good to go. So we have x equals to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2, everything over 2 times 3, and that gives us x equals to minus 6 plus or minus root of 12 all over 6. If you further simplify, we have minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 3. Now, if you express root of 12 in solid form, it is going to be what? 2 root 3. Root 12 is root 4 times root 3. And root 4 is 2. So we have minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 6. Okay, I'm going to drop some lessons on salt. Okay guys, let us proceed. As you can see, this 6 is a common denominator. It is both dividing minus 6 and plus or minus 2 root 3. So we can actually distribute the denominator. So we have minus 6 over 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 6. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3 over 3. And option A is the correct option to this beautiful question. Alright guys, we have actually solved 4 solid JAMB questions on quadratic equations, and as you can see, they are very simple. Okay, I have 3 questions for you to solve. Check yourself with these 3 JAMB questions: JAMB 216, 1984, and 1980. They are very simple. Solve them and comment your answers. I believe you enjoyed this lesson. You can share this video with your friends, especially those that will be writing mathematics in JAMB. Please give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. You can subscribe as well if you have not done so. Daily Maths concept needs to go viral, and you need to be an agent. Thank you so much for your time. Expect more interesting lessons from us. Bye for now.